Hello, I'm Jonathan with KECO Body Repair Products. Today we'd like to talk to you about our guided knockdown called the Black Swan. It has some interesting features. First of all, it has a rubber foot that you can use to stabilize the swan and to control the vibration on the metal that you're working in. Second one, instead of holding a knockdown with your hand unstable, this tool holds your knockdown steady in the right position while knocking down. It's completely a full metal through insert with a brace head, so you can use the full metal knockdown, or you can use a rubber cap to have more of a dead blow on the tips you're using. The extra nice thing is the knockdown can come in a set with 4 different tips. We have this small 1/2 millimeter size tip. We have a line tip to address body lines. Then we have the R4 with a rubber cap there and another rounded tip. You can all use those on knocking down small dents that you pulled up and micro tips that you want to knock down. It's a big difference. The difference is you hold the thing, you put it on the metal, on a door, on the roof, on the side of a door, whatever you want to work on, a hood. Like for this one, I don't know if you can see it, but if you put it on like this on a hood, start knocking down, very stable, controlled punch instead of holding one like this. If you want to know more about this tool, go to our website kecotabs.com or click the link below and start knocking down with our new tool.